Okay na to. Here's our second day of our South Island adventure here in New Zealand. We woke up super early today and as usual, my very maasikasong sister prepared breakfast for us before we hit the road again. It's gonna be an almost 5-hour drive from Picton to Christchurch because today, we're finally getting our motorhome or camper van na tinatawag nila dito. Every turn may bago ka makikitang ganda, mountains, lakes, at minsan may mga ships sa paligid on the road. We're picking up our camper van here.
Where are you guys from?
After a few hours, we finally reached Kayapoi, Christchurch. The owner, Andy, welcomed us right away and showed us the camper van. Plus a quick tutorial kung paano namin naasikasuhin yung mga bagay-bagay. From the water tank to the power setup. And finally, we're all set, transferred our stuff to the camper van and it finally feels official. Now that everything's ready, we're hitting the road again.
Silang light pollution.
And here's our first campsite for this trip. Oh my God, guys. Ano to, lake?
Lake Pukaki.
Lake Pukaki. Hindi pa siya makita. Ang ganda. Bukas na lang. Can't wait for what's next.